To download GTA Vice City legally on PC in 2026, use Rockstar's official store and Rockstar Games Launcher. For a new PC purchase, Rockstar's current store route is Grand Theft Auto, the Trilogy, the Definitive Edition, which includes Vice City. If you already own the classic Vice City on your Rockstar account, Rockstar still lists the classic game as supported in the launcher, so it may appear in My Library. Start at the official Vice City page and choose Buy Now. If you are buying today, select the PC Rockstar Games Launcher version of the Trilogy. Install Rockstar Games Launcher, sign in with the account that owns the game. Open Games, then My Library, select Vice City, and click Install Now. Choose the install location, confirm the download, and wait for it to finish. Launch the game from the same library. When the Vice City main menu or first gameplay screen appears, the installation is complete. Avoid unofficial download pages and repacks. This method uses Rockstar only